Come on. Look at this. So good. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a review for the L'Oreal Steampod. This is a collaboration video, but I want to let you know that before I get any products that I choose to endorse, I try them out for a month if it's skincare, or if it's like this, I try it a few times to make sure that it actually works. And I'm really excited to make this video because I think I just found my new best friend. So I have a lot of hair. It looks deceiving because it's thin, but there's so much of it. The thing with me is that it's wavy, but it's very hard to straighten it because there's a lot, and the flat iron that I do use, it takes me about an hour. So what I do sometimes is just like straighten the top part so it looks straight, but then I'll leave the rest not straightened because like I don't have the energy and like my hands start to get tired. It looks weird, but I think that's why I like walk around with a low bun most of the time. So when I actually tried this Steampod, I got really excited and amazed that it actually worked on my hair, and it like doesn't take me an hour. So the Steampod comes with this machine that you put water in, and what it does is basically steams your hair. It comes with a comb that makes sure to kind of brush your hair before it steams it, but you can take that one out. There's a few settings that you can do if you want it warmer or less hot, and the steam comes out of here, and this is the panel to straighten the hair. It's really cool. So I filled water with this one. It feels like a really like hair salon type of experience, which is really nice. They also sent me this double action smoothing cream. This is for really thick hair to make it kind of easier for your hair to get straightened. And they sent me this serum, which that one I'm going to use for sure. It's the Protecting Concentrate Beautifying Ends, and it's for all hair types, and this is basically to make sure that our ends will look beautiful after we steam them. I'm gonna turn this on. They recommend to hold it this way or whatever way you're holding it. Okay, it gets hot real quick. Don't do that, not a good idea. So I just want to comb my hair before. I'll usually use like a protecting cream from Heat, so I put it before this, so it should be good. And we're gonna start with the ends. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm gonna have really flat hair, like super straight. Are you ready? Amazing. You want to make sure that you go slow so you won't have to repeat it. The steam doesn't come out unless you're using it on your hair. This is gonna work great if you have super curly hair, I feel. I'm sure there's people that do it, you know, with the clips and stuff. I don't have clips. We're not there yet in my career. I don't have hair clips. I honestly don't even really do it in like sections. I just grab whatever I see because that's how I roll. I made sure I brushed it really well before. You know how sometimes when you straighten your hair, there's like the smell of fire? I don't smell that. Okay. It's like so straight. I don't think my hair has been this straight for a long time. Literally almost done. I feel like I'm getting a facial because there's like this steam in my face. It feels good. What's exciting about this one, that it's a steam and pro keratin technology, so it really makes your hair feel silky. Also, because of the steam, it's like moisturizes the hair, like hydrates it. Is it a weird thing to say? Like that's how my hair feels, like it's hydrated instead of like dried out, which is really nice. So I'm just gonna go through it for final touches. Makes me feel like Beyonce. All the single ladies, all the single ladies. Okay, we are done. Can't wait to get some selfies in with this hair. This was definitely a record moment. I was really excited to show it to you because when I tried it first, I kind of did it like half-assed type of thing. Like I did it really fast and it just completely did the trick. So now I'm just gonna use this. Let me turn this off. I'm gonna use this protecting, beautifying and serum to put it on the ends. And that's it. I need to stand up for you to see my hair. Okay, this is it. This is my L'Oreal Steampod experiment. As I mentioned, I did try this product before, so I knew that I really love it and I really wanted to show it to you guys. If you guys are on the market for an amazing straightener, if you have really curly hair or thick hair, or you just like need something that will be fast and furious and make you look like a Pocahontas, you guys can check out the Steampod by L'Oreal. I will put the link in the description box. I'm gonna put a coupon code where if you're buying a Steampod, you guys are gonna get a dry shampoo for free. So that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if you guys tried this product before and if you liked it. This is my new go-to. I mean, look at my hair, and it was very fast, and I was talking a lot during and contemplating my life while straightening my hair. I wanted to say a huge thank you to L'Oreal Pro for collaborating with me and for introducing me to this life-changing product. Where have you been? Did you know how much time I wasted? How much sweat? Okay guys, this is it. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to unplug your straightener or curling iron before you leave the room. This is a public announcement. Love you guys.